Hello, I'm here to talk about my Knex Autocycle one-cylinder gasoline engine. First, some basic terminology. This is the cylinder, this is the piston, and this is the spark plug. And on the bottom, this is the flywheel, this is the crankshaft, and this is the load or whatever you want to turn. And on the top, this is the intake valve, and this is the exhaust valve. The intake valve is connected to the gas tank, and the exhaust valve is connected to the exhaust pipe. Now for the 4 cycles. Cycle 1, intake. The piston goes down with the intake valve open to take gas in. 2, compression. The piston goes up with both valves closed to compress the gas. 3, power. Spark plug lights and explodes the gas to push down on the piston. Exhaust. The piston pushes up with the exhaust valve open to put the exploded gas out. Those are the 4 cycles, and now to show you them. Compression, power, exhaust. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. That's my Knex engine.